So what's going on, people? Welcome back for my channel. Okay, I hope everyone are doing good. Okay, everyone are good, wealthy, or something like that. Let's start this video. Okay, so this video I'll teach you about how do you use wget command. So wget command is basically used for downloading files from the internet or the local network. So if you're using like FTP or something like that, you can also use wget. Okay, so the syntax will be like this: wget and options and URL. So this will be the syntax of wget. Okay, so sorry for that. I need to say there is nothing that I need to download from the internet. I'll just explain you how you can use wget command, because I don't have anything to be downloaded. I will just give you some fake URLs. There is no file in that. I'll just explain what it will do and how you can use it. Okay, so let's say you need to download something. You have it's a link for that. You have a link, example.com and slash file.txt. So this will basically download file.txt from this example.com domain. So if you use like this, it will download file.com will be downloaded to the current directory if you use wget. Okay, let's say you are downloading something, but it is interrupted, but you need to resume. So for that you can use -c. If you use -c, that will resume the download operations. Okay, okay, let's say that you are downloading something. Let's say you downloading something, but I don't need that file should be the same. Like if I'm downloading file.txt, if I download also, that file name will be like file.txt, right? But I don't need that file to be .txt, but I need something different. I will use capital letter O command, capital letter O, I guess, O command. Then I'll saying downloaded file, loaded file.txt. So this particular wget will download this file.txt from this website. Then it will be renamed as downloaded file.txt. Okay, that is why how we use -o, capital letter O. Okay, let's say that you are downloading something. Let's say you're downloading something let's say you're downloading from Chrome. Let's say you're downloading in your phone. Let's say your Wi-Fi, like your laptop is taking more bandwidth than your phone and something. In your phone you can't download anything. You are not able to download anything. Your laptop only is grabbing all the network. You need to limit something. You need to limit some KB or some megabytes. If your laptop is taking 10 megabytes, you need to limit it to 5 megabytes, something like that. So that you need to use limit rate is equal to 10,000K, so 100K. So it will limit based on the download speed. It will limit. Okay, the next thing that I need to use is that specifying a user agent. So if you specify the user agent to Mozilla, Mozilla /5.0. so you can also specify that what in the HTTP request you can also specify which browser I am using. So which user agent I am using, you can specify with this user agent argument. Okay, let's go for the next one. That will be using follow redirection. So since there is a HTTP redirection, then you can use -l. That will be used for HTTP redirects. Okay, the next one will be using HTTP username and password. So let me think that you are downloading something which has some username and passwords that you need to be given. you can specify in the what command line itself. So http user will be my username, you can specify. Then http password is equal to my password. So if a browser is taking some kind of passwords or a username, if you are downloading some file, then you can specify that in a wget command itself, or else in the terminal itself you can specify. Okay. Okay, let's say you have access to open only the one terminal, or you are downloading it in some server that has only one screen. You can't open any other terminal, but you need this terminal to do other work. But you need to download the file also, but the file is like 10 GB. It will take like 3 hours to download. What you do? You make the download in the background, right? So that is why if you need to do in a background, then you need to use -b command that will do all the downloads operation in the background, that so that you can use this terminal after that. Okay, let's say you need to limit the number of redirection. You can use maximum and redirect is equal to 3. So this will stop the redirection when it is reaches the 3. When it reaches 3 redirection, it will stop it. Okay, this is how you need to use maximum redirection. Let's say you're using some proxy servers to download something. You can specify the proxy here. Proxy it's equal to http and proxy proxy dot example.com and something like that, and you can need to specify the port address. This will download this particular file from this proxy server. Okay, so you can specify in wget command itself. Let's say you need to limit the download time. Let's say you are downloading some big files, then you don't need the whole day that file. You don't need the whole day to be wasted to that file to be downloaded. You can use timeout is equal to 30. You can specify 30 minutes or something like that. Limit the download time. This is how we limit the download time. Let's say you need to download recursively. You can use -r that will download recursively. Okay, so let's say you need to download certain files, not all the files. Let's say there is a file name called .pdf in that particular server, but you need to only download that PDF file. So you need to use -a and PDF that will download only the .pdf files, okay, from that particular server. Okay, let's say you need to exclude some certain file types. You need to exclude some certain file types so that you can use r.jpg that will exclude the files which are having extension called jpg. Okay, now you're downloading something, but you need to display what process it is doing, how many percentage of download it is done, so that you can use progress, progress is equal to dot. So this will display how many percentage the file is downloading, like 17%, 20%, 100% the file is being downloaded, something like that. Okay, so if you need in a quiet mode, if you need to use a wget in a quiet mode, and you can with a no output except error. So if there is an error, then it will print only the error. If it is no error, then it will not print anything. It will be in the quiet mode. Then you can use wget command, -q command. So -u argument, not command, with the wget command. If you don't know how to use duplicate, you can always go to help, or else if you need a deep understanding of duplicate command, you can go for man page. It will show more than help argument. You can see there is many argument that you can just explore using this duplicate command. Okay, you can also see the version, I guess. Yeah, you can see the version. The version is 1.21 build, and you can see the person who wrote this code, I guess. No, it is not showing. Okay, so that's all guys, and thank you for watching.